Big up everybody worldwide. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, I'm gonna do a video today breaking down my detailing equipment, the cost per item, to show you guys it actually does not cost an arm and a leg to start up a mobile detailing business, guys. So you don't know, stay tuned, let's do it. Alright guys, you don't know, the heart of the whole setup is going to be the inverter or your generator. You don't know, this is the Champion 4500 watt. This baby is a beast. I've had it for about 2 years. It runs excellent. Trust me guys, you can run all the equipment. So, you can pick this up online anywhere from, I would say, about 800 to 1,000 bucks. It's funny how things have gotten expensive these days. I got this back 2 years ago for I think around 600 bucks, you know, if I believe. But online, I can't really find it anywhere else for under 800. Maybe you guys can, but ballpark figure 800 to 1,000 bucks. Coming over, you have reels, right guys? Here you have your hose reel, right? This connects to your air compressor. This DeWalt comes as a bundle. You can get the reel and the actual hose itself. It's a 50-foot hose. Online, you can get this for around 70 bucks, right? Boom. Connected to your hose reel. You have your air tool. Woo. Right, this is the Vortex. You can pick up the Vortex, which I highly recommend. You guys know I love my air tools. For around 45 bucks average, I would say. And since we're on the topic of our air tools and stuff, here's the air compressor. Guys, this rigid is very popular in the detailing world, especially when you're going mobile. You can pick this up anywhere online these days for around $350. Highly recommend it, guys. It's an actual beast. I've been running it for the same about 2 years. Absolutely no issues, right? Coming on back over to the reels again. Let's just knock this one out of the park real quick. This is a electrical reel. It is a 50-foot too, I believe. This I picked up, I think back in the day. I think they're around the same price I paid 2 years ago for this too. It's around 60 bucks, I believe. So you can pencil that into. You definitely need the electric cord. And by the way, guys, let me just say, you don't need reels to start off with off the rip, right? I didn't have reels. I would just have my hoses. I'd wrap them up neatly and keep them in the back of the truck, right? But you don't know. I think they're pretty affordable, especially when you start going, knocking out a couple details. Save up and get these, right, guys? This is an MTM reel. This actually came as a bundle too when I bought it. So it came with a reel and the 50-foot hose attached with some quick connects and stuff. The bundle is, I believe, $250. Kind of a pricey point. But I believe the reel on its own is somewhere like around $100 to $150, and then the hose by itself, you can pick these hoses up anywhere from 70 to 100 bucks probably. Average, guys, remember. So you don't know, the bundle was like $250. You see me? So I connected my MTM SGS 28 gun on it. Absolutely awesome gun, guys. Like I said, I've been rocking with this for a long time. Super durable. You know how many times I've put this on the floor, picked it up, rested here, it's falling, taking a beating, but it's still going strong. These run for about 80 bucks. Like I said, depending where you're looking online too, you might can get it cheaper because some places do sell it without the connections, right guys? They might come without this or without this piece. But you know, why not just buy it with the connects? If you want to buy the connects separate and do it yourself, you know, more power to you, right? Another beast, this piece of equipment, guys. I saved up for months to get this piece of equipment, right? Check it out. Kranzel 1622 TS. Like I said, guys, I saved up for months for this pressure washer here. It's electric. Look at it, guys. You can see it's just built like a tank. Very durable, right? You change the oil, keep it moving, right, guys? This is very pricey. I'd say 1,300 bucks. It's around 1,400 bucks. I see some places you can get it for maybe 1,200, right, guys? So to start up, if you can, by any means, if you can, grab it, right? If you can't, I'd understand if you have to start up, right? There's many other affordable electric pressure washers out there. So don't watch that high price tag on the 1,300, right, guys? You can get a good electric pressure washer in the hundreds. You know what I mean? Moving forward, water tank, right? This is a 55-gallon low profile water tank. I picked this up for 200 bucks at a local water tank distributor. You know, these things come in all shapes and sizes, guys, you know what I mean? So do your research, you know, measure your dimensions of wherever you're putting your tank and, you know, decide from there. But this run me 200 bucks, you see me? I might like to add quick reason why I also wanted the Kranzel. Of course, this is the, this is the premier pressure washer in the detailing world, commercial grade, but it is self-priming, meaning it has its own pump on there. It will actually suck the water from the tank and prime itself, right? If you buy a cheaper electrical washer, you might have to buy yourself a separate, like a transfer pump, which is pretty affordable too. You can get them at Harbor Freight, all in places, and get that separate unit to help pull the water from the tank to that unit, right? But with the Kranzel, you can avoid all of that. You see me? So there you have it, guys. These are the main pieces of equipment I think you can start out with, right, guys? You need your water tank for sure, obviously, right? Because you need water if you want to do details at places that don't provide water, right, guys? You need your power right here, your air compressor, like I say, your hoses, your reels. So you have your air compressor hose, your water hose, and your electrical hose, right? The actual pressure washer. Those are the few main pieces of equipment I would highly recommend you get. You understand? Buckets, guys. Buckets are relatively cheap. I picked these 3.5 gallon buckets up in Home Depot for like $5. Something like that, you know what I mean? Each. So you might want to grab 3, your rinse bucket, your wash bucket, your wheel bucket. Foam cannons, right? I have the MTM here and the MJJC. Each of these are around $80. Guys, you do not have to buy these exact ones. Let me stress, I'm just showing you what I use. There are many more affordable options online. They have some no-name brand ones on Amazon for $20, $30. And trust me, I've used them and they work pretty fine. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I'm just giving you guys some examples. These pieces of equipment here are solid to me and affordable. But when you're getting stuff like this, trust me, guys, you can find more affordable options, right? Yeah, man, guys. And of course, you'll need a handy vacuum. This guy right here, the Rigid 4-gallon portable vac. Trust me, guys, popular in the detailing world too because of its, it's light, it's compact, it's very powerful. Can roll around on wheels so you can drag it around while you're detailing. Trust me, guys, I love this thing. This you can pick up even at your local Home Depot and stuff. This, guys, is around $100 these days. Actually, I have found it online for $85 also. So I would say $85 to $100, right, guys? It does not come with this hose. It actually comes with its regular standard accessories and stuff. But you can purchase the car detailing accessory kit online also. It comes with this hose, a couple different attachments that are more, car detailing friendly. You understand? You can pick up the car detailing accessory kit for the Rigid for about $50 to $55. Obviously, you see my setup is in the back of my 2012 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. So you don't know, it just goes to show you guys that you can have a simple setup even in the back of a pickup. Guys, trust me, out there online, social media, you see a lot of fancy vans, transit vans, panel vans, tricked out setup, wicked setups, right, guys? Fancy stuff, big money stuff. Guys, you don't need all of that to get started. Trust me, it's definitely good to aspire to want to have those things, but you don't know to get started. Don't let that discourage you. You might think, oh, I need a van, I need this, I need that, I need this setup because that detailer has that and this detailer has that, so I need this to get started. No, you don't. Get the essentials first, the basics, get your customers, build up your business, save up your money, and buy up your things. You understand, guys? So, you don't know, Clean Car Chris said that. All right, guys, that covers the main equipment. You don't know. So, I decided to give you guys a quick bonus feature, our segment. Trust me, guys, check it out. Some vital chemicals you can pick up when you're just starting. The basics, guys, trust me. PNS stuff, high quality stuff, very affordable in the detailing world. Trust me, guys. So, to start off, you have your PNS Pearl. I did a review on the channel on this also, so you can check that out. But you can pick this up for around $30 a gallon, $25 to $30 estimated. PNS wheel and tire cleaner, guys. This is around the same per gallon, around $30. You can get these in lower quantities too, but I decided just to hit you with the gallon prices, right? Because they're pretty affordable. 30 a gallon, guys. You know what I mean? Plus you're saving money when you're buying in bulk, right? So save up your cash, guys. PNS Express Interior Cleaner. This stuff is really awesome. It's dilutable. It's around the same price too, guys. Around anywhere from $20 to $30. This is dilutable. This is dilutable, so you can stretch your money, right? Just to break it down, You'll have your soap, pH soap, to do all your washing, right? You'll have your brake buster, wheel and tire cleaner for all your wheels and tires, right? You'll have your interior to do all the interior work, to clean up everything on the inside, right? All the panels and everything, right? For tire shine, so many options, guys. These days, I have this gallon of VRP I need to finish up from Chemical, guys. It's not the cheapest, but it's around 50 to 60 bucks a gallon. It's one of the few Chemical, guys, products I stick around and use. I like it, VRP. Just, you know, affordable for the tire shine. You don't know. So, you have 30, 30, 30. This is around 50 to 60, right? Around that kind of price range. It's a good idea, guys, to have a good glass cleaner on hand too. This is what I use typically, Invisible Glass by Stoners. Awesome stuff. I mean, you can get these individually in a 3-pack, 6-pack, all kind of quantities, right, guys? I recently picked up a 3-pack for like around 20 bucks. I think I got it on sale for like 15 bucks. So once again, very affordable. It will stretch a long way too. You can get a lot of uses out of a single can, right? Towels, guys, you're gonna need a good drying towel, right? This is an example of a very good drying towel from Auto Fiber. You can see this is the larger size. You can pick this up for about 25 to 30 bucks too, I believe. Right? So many options on drying towels and all these things, but you know, you're gonna spend anywhere around that price for a decent, high quality towel, right? Guys, I love these Kirkland brand multi-purpose towels, right? Check it out. This is the big bag. 36 pieces. You don't know, guys. You can pick this up individually. Around 20 to 25 bucks, I think most places have. Recently, I bought 2 of these. Came together for about 50 bucks. They're getting more and more expensive these days. But like I said, shop around, guys. You might can get it cheaper. You understand? But this is definitely good to start off your business with. I use these every day in my detailing business. And you don't know, guys, you can also wash them the proper way. Stay tuned for a video, by the way, guys, of how to properly wash your microfiber towels, right? But you can pick these up, guys, because you're definitely going to need some towels, right? Spray bottles, all that stuff. So many options out in Home Depot, Lowe's. You can get the HDX ones, the ZEP ones, which might be a little bit more expensive. They have some more ones marketed towards detailers, I would say, like this, the IK foam sprayer. This is if you want some foam in action, right, guys? Excellent, especially if you're going mobile, right? You can, you know, when you save up some money, you can probably get this one. It's about 40 bucks. Like I say, you can always start off with the regular ones. I still use them. So some of them here, actually. You know, the HDX stuff. Yeah, man, guys, a quick bonus again, another piece of equipment I can give you. Last on the list. You always see me use these in my videos, guys. The detail guards. You understand? You can pick these up. They come in 4s, I believe. Usually, all different type of colors. Check this out, guys. They're around 20 bucks. What you do with them, if you see my videos, you see me stick them here on your client's car, whichever vehicle you're working on all 4 tires. So your hoses can glide along while you're working and won't get stuck on your tires, right? So it's relatively affordable, 20 bucks. But trust me, these go a long way, guys. It will probably impress your clients, because I've had many clients come up to me and be like, hey, what's that, man? You know, when I explain what it is, they're like, wow, I never seen that before. That's cool. It just gives a good impression on your clients. You understand, guys? All right, my people, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys found it informative. You don't know, guys, so you know now it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg to start up your detailing business, right, guys? Just save up your money, get the key pieces of equipment you need. That's the word right there, guys. The key pieces. And don't be discouraged online seeing all the fancy stuff. All that stuff is good, guys. It's good to work towards, but you don't need it to get it started. I've been rocking with this setup for the last 2 years, and yo, it has not held me back one bit. So you don't know, guys, you'll see the grand total of all the equipment and products I described in today's video right here, and you'll also find the links to most of these products in the description. So you don't know, guys, follow me on all of my social media. IG's at Clean Car Chris. Website is www.cleancarchris.com. Log on there, guys. Check out my services. Get some good vibes teas. You don't know. Every Wednesday. Keep it locked. Bless.